You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
One of the biggest insurance mistakes happen before the shipment even leaves, when the inventory is too vague to protect what matters. Welcome back to the podcast. Today we're talking about inventories and why they matter so much for international moving insurance. A lot of people assume the inventory created during packing is enough for every purpose, but that is not always true. A customs inventory and an insurance inventory may not serve the same function in the same way. Especially when you're protecting valuable items, the level of detail does matter. That means thinking carefully about what you are insuring, how clearly each item is described, and what value is assigned to it. This is especially important for higher value belongings, jewelry, artwork, specialty furniture, musical instruments, premium electronics, and other valuable household goods that could require more specific documentation. In some cases, receipts or professional valuations may also matter. The goal is not to create a long list just for the sake of length. The goal is to create a record that is clear enough to support the insurance coverage you are purchasing. A strong inventory is not busy work. It's part of protecting the move properly. Your insurance is only as useful as the accuracy and detail behind it. If you want help understanding how to prepare your shipment for the right insurance coverage, give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.